Alright guys, Honda Odyssey minivan, changing the ignition coil and spark plugs. Alright, so yesterday I worked a little bit, removed this cap right here, this right here, remove it so you could get better to the ignition coils, and we're gonna get step by step. So I've removed this thing right here. All right, let me just set up the camera somewhere. Right here's one coil, 2, 3. So I'll tell you guys where the ignition coils are. You can see it from here. Right here is 1, 2, 3. I took out these things. All you have to do is just press on it and then it comes out like that. The hardest part is in the back, right here. So you just have to work with your hand. There you go, we got some light. See, that's right there, Denzel. So this is the ignition coils in the back. I already snapped these out. I don't want to make a long video, so shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so spark plugs and ignition coil, the hardest thing is from the back. So I already took this out, and we're going to take out the ignition coil and spark plugs. So I already loosened them up, guys. It's very easy. It's very easy. There you go. Very bad. So to unscrew these, you need a 10 millimeter. Just take them out. The wrench for the spark plugs. I have this. I have this for the spark plugs. I have this an extension. So just extension. Big one. So for you to be easier, try to extend it more, and you have much more. All right, got them out. Look at that thing, how dirty it is. So we gotta do something to clean it out. Look, that thing is bad. Look at that. It's really bad. So for the back, when you want to do the spark plugs, make sure you find something small, and then or if you have this one didn't work for me, This one didn't work for me. This and this works perfectly if I need it. If I don't need it, I could just go in with this. It's a magnet. Have a magnet, it's easier. Just like that. Much easier for me to move over in the back. So you just gotta find your way around to do the spark plugs, to remove spark plugs on the back. That's the hardest part. All right, so now all right guys, so now we're going for the new ones. This is the new ones we got to put. So just like you took them out, put them back in. All you got to do is just reverse. All right guys, always me, I like to do the back first because it's harder. So what kind of protection is this? The magnet one. Easier. Now I gotta see, because I forgot which one was easier to use. I gotta see, do I need the other piece or no? If I need it, I have it right here. All right guys, sometimes you could tie it up with your hands till it gets tied up, and then use the wrench. So it just happened right now. There you go. There you go. One down. What?
You do something to the habits, it looks so much cleaner. Huh? They were yellow just yesterday. You have to.
All right, guys. I'm just showing you one of them. If you took them out, you should know how to put them in. It's very easy. You just put that in, nice and firm. Snap the connector in. Boom. It's very simple. All right, guys. All right, guys. I put all of them in. So turn it on, please. You used to shake when you turn it on. It sounds good. Can you give a little gas? All right. So the check engine light. The check engine light will come off after I drive for some time. All right.
Normally like 50 to 60 miles.
All right, guys. That's it for the video. So I hope you guys find it helpful. I just want to be as easy as it gets, you know, because it's very easy to do it, except the ones on the back. It's kind of hard. If you're handy, you know what I'm talking about. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you ever did this or if this video helped you. Peace out.